Hi everyone! Today we'll be doing another Korean lash lift, but this time using our new viscosity modifying powder. This is the before and after. Keep watching to see how we achieve this amazing result. Today's model has extremely light blonde lashes, which can be tricky. Even though they are hard to see because of the light color, her lashes are actually quite thick and long. She also has enough space between her lashes and her eyelid, which means we don't need to size up the shield. Firstly, we'll dry check the shield size. As always, we try a few different sizes to find the best fit. Today we'll be using our current favorite, the V Curl Shield. Our model still has some leftover strip lash glue on her lash line, so we decided to give her a lash bath. It was actually quite difficult to remove and quite time-consuming. Rubbing too much can also cause skin sensitivity, so it's very important to remind clients to arrive with clean lashes. Before applying the under eye pads, we'll add around 5 to 10% of the powder to the Relax Step 1 cream and mix it well. The new Alba Viscosity Powder is designed for artists who prefer a thicker consistency, which is especially helpful when working with coarse lashes. We also have Refine, which does something similar, but in a gel formula that's easy to mix and creates a soft medium consistency. It takes a little time for the mixture to thicken, so we like to prepare this early. Now let's apply the under eye pads. Always check the inner and outer corners to make sure no lashes are stuck underneath. Next, we'll add some tape on the eyelid to make the lash roots more visible. Then we'll apply the flat shield. Now we're applying the Relax Step 1 cream evenly at the base. Don't rush this step. Slowly but firmly, push the lashes down, attaching them to the shield section by section. Keep rolling the micro brush to place a thicker layer at the base and the thinnest layer possible towards the tips. Once the lashes are roughly placed on the shield, we'll use the wrap to lay them down. Use the back of the micro brush to remove air bubbles. We'll leave this on for about 5 minutes. About halfway through the Step 1 processing time, I'll come in and brush the lashes upward to make the cream placement more even. While doing this, you can feel how much softening has occurred. You might see some lashes popping off the shield, which is a sign that they're not ready yet. One tip for blonde lashes is to use the back of black tweezers, which makes the lashes easier to see. Since some lashes are still popping off, we'll reapply Step 1 cream, focusing at the base of the lashes. Now I'll cover them with the wrap again. We'll leave it on for a few more minutes. After around 4 minutes, we'll remove the cream. As you can see, none of the lashes are falling off the shield, which is a good sign that the lashes are ready for the next step. Next, we apply a generous amount of Revive cream to the lashes to help restore the pH balance, prevent damage, and keep them hydrated. Now we'll apply the curling shield we selected at the beginning and start wrapping the lashes onto the shield. Because the ends of the shield kept lifting, I used a bit of tape to hold them down. I like to first use the lamination brush to gently brush the lashes into place. And then I fine-tune the placement with a long microbrush. Keep adding a little bit of Revive cream as you go to keep the lashes hydrated and help them attach nicely to the shield during the wrapping process. Once the placement looks clean and perfect, it's time to apply Step 2, Reform Cream. Make sure to cover everywhere, including the inner and outer corners and the base of the lashes. I'll leave Reform on for 6 minutes. Once the time is up, I wipe the lashes first with a dry applicator and then again with a damp applicator. Make sure all residue is completely removed from the base. Now we'll apply the tint. For the final styling, we used Alba's new 4-in-1 Silk Protein Aftercare Serum. It's not too sticky, but works beautifully to fix the lashes in place and keeps them nourished for the rest of the day. Look at that result! She definitely won't need mascara for the next few weeks. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial!